In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and purchase a new domain using Hostinger. Whether you're setting up a personal blog or launching a business website, securing a domain is your first step toward establishing an online presence. Let's dive into the process and make it simple and straightforward for you. First, you'll want to navigate to Hostinger's homepage. This is where all the magic begins. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do so to access your dashboard. Once logged in, direct your attention to the navigation menu. You're looking for the section labeled Domains. Clicking on Domains will take you to the page where all your domain-related actions await, from management to purchasing. Now that you're on the Domains page, it's time to scout for a new name. Look for the button or link that says Get New Domain and click on it. Hostinger provides an easy-to-use interface for domain searches, helping you find and secure your desired domain name seamlessly. Once you're in the domain search tool, you'll see various options for domain extensions, also known as TLDs, or top-level domains. These are the suffixes at the end of your web address, such as .com or .net. You're going to explore several options to find the one that best fits your needs. Start by clicking on the .com extension. This is one of the most popular and widely recognized TLDs, making it an excellent choice for many websites. Perhaps a different TLD better suits your needs. After exploring .com, you'll want to check out other available options. Next, click on the .net extension. This TLD is often associated with companies involved in networking technologies and can be a good alternative to .com. Keep exploring by selecting the .io extension. Originally intended for British Indian Ocean Territory, .io has soared in popularity among tech startups, offering a modern and distinctive touch to your website's name. Next, let's look at .org. Traditionally used by nonprofit organizations, .org can lend an authoritative and credible vibe to your site's address. It's a great fit if your website has a nonprofit, educational, or community-focused mission. If you're aiming for a modern, tech-savvy audience, try clicking on .online. This trendy TLD is flexible and descriptive, perfect for any website establishing or expanding its internet presence. And don't forget about .shop. If you're venturing into the world of e-commerce, this TLD could be an excellent match, immediately conveying the nature of your business to potential visitors. Each extension carries its unique connotation, so consider which one aligns best with your website's purpose and branding. That's it for your introduction to domain shopping with Hostinger. With these steps, you're well on your way to claiming the perfect domain for your new website. Happy domain hunting!